What's up, y'all? Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for checking out the video. So today is April 18th, 2026. And today I want to talk about why I don't like seeding in the spring. And it's really simple. I told you guys when we planted this that there were really two things that we were worried about. Number one was the weeds. Now, we took care of that when we seeded this. We put down mesotrione, and it has done a tremendous job at keeping any of the weeds out. I don't really even see any of the weed seeds I don't see any weeds that are popping up in here at all. But the other issue that I don't like about seeding in the spring is the heat. Now, here in North Carolina, unlike in other parts of the country, we get hot, but we don't normally get hot this early. But that's the reason why I don't like seeding in the spring, is because you just don't have control over the weather. And once it turns hot, this grass does not have the root structure to be able to handle this heat. Sure, I have irrigation and I can water, but I literally cannot water this enough. I'm doing the best I can. We've had temperatures in the mid 90s. It was 91 today. It was 93 2 days ago. It was 91 the day before. I don't know if you can hear the wind. It has been incredibly windy. And those just aren't good growing conditions for grass. And especially new grass that doesn't have an established root structure. And so we also talked about just having the ability to kind of understand that this may or may not work. Again, it's not ideal. This is not what we wanted to be doing. And this is exactly why. Short of a big thunderstorm and washout, what we're experiencing is probably the worst thing that we could deal with. And there's no way for me to plan for that. There was no way for me to know that. And I'm doing the best I can to manage what's here. But I mean, you look at the grass, it sucks. It's nasty. It just doesn't, it's struggling. Even the grass out in the lawn is struggling to grow right now. It's just so hot and so dry. And this is no different. Now, luckily, we don't have to deal with fungus or anything like that because the humidity levels have been way down. But, you know, again, this is exactly why I don't like seeding in the spring. Now, I know, again, if you live in a different part of the country, your weather may or may not be like this, but it doesn't matter if you live in Michigan or Pennsylvania or Wisconsin. The heat is coming. It gets hot eventually. And the grass, especially tall fescue that takes 7, 8, 9 days to germinate, it just doesn't come up fast enough. There's just not enough time for this grass to establish before it gets hot. So the grass is really, it's suffering. You know, I did mow it for the first time today. I don't know that I actually took anything off the grass. It's quit growing. It was more just to kind of clean up this area. I can't run my big zero turn over this, so I did, I mowed that. But yeah, I'm continuing to water. Hopefully we get a break in the weather. Unfortunately, there's still no rain in the forecast. We're supposed to be in the mid 80s, and then we'll get down into the 70s. But it sucks. It's kind of the worst possible thing that could happen. Again, I'm trying to do the best I can to manage it. Again, I mentioned the fortunate thing is we haven't had a lot of moisture, so I'm not dealing with fungus. The air is very dry. Thank goodness, because that would probably do me in. But I set the expectation. I didn't expect this to really do much. I was going to try to make the best of the situation that I have. And then in the fall, I'll be able to correct this and it'll all look good. But here's a little shot of the rest of the lawn. I mean, you can even see we've got some dry spots. Let's see if I can show you. Really isn't the purpose of the video, but I thought I might as well show you. So I don't know if you can see it, but you've got a spot right there maybe. It's kind of hard for me to see on camera. Yeah, it's just heat stress. It's drought stress. It's hot. It's windy. The lawn is just checking out. Of course, you've got the spot way up there. It's doing so much better now that, you know, I drilled the holes in that, but looking much better. But yeah, guys, this is exactly why I don't like seeding in the spring. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. Stay tuned. Have a great week. I'll see you later. Peace.